Hello everybody, I want to show you this video a quick review to the Samsung Galaxy A40. Okay, first of all, it is a very compact phone. It has a 5.1-inch display with a camera notch in there, and this touchscreen is a Super AMOLED one. As you can see, it is very colorful, and yeah, the resolution is 1080 to 2340 pixel, and it is very good for a small phone like this. The weight is also not that much for a smartphone. Meanwhile, it's at 140 grams. So the colors you can have is basically, of course, black is the most common color for the phone, then white, coral, and also blue, the very in color actually for smartphones. The plastic body makes a good impression because normally after a few days of use you have the first scratches in it, but I don't have any scratches right now, and yeah, that's a good sign. So that phone have an octa-core CPU with 4 times 1.77 GHz and 4 times 1.59 GHz. So we have 4 GB of RAM, and the operating system is Android 9. And we have as well next to the RAM storage, of course, the internal storage with 64 GB, and that phone supports microSD cards as well, up to 512 GB next to the 64 internal storage. If you have the single SIM version, you can enter a nano SIM card, and if you want next to it a microSD card to extend the internal storage. And of course you can enter 2 SIM cards if you have the dual SIM version. The dualist version of Samsung is the most common one. Then you can enter 2 SIM cards at the same time next to a microSD card if you want. So let's come to the camera. So we have 2 cams, as you can see. One is basic with 16 MP, and it supports also panorama pictures if you want. And yeah, the second one is for ultra wide pictures. So let me show you here on my desktop with a pen. This is the basic cam with 16 MP, and that's the ultra wide cam with the 5 MP. So, but this is the best camera on the phone because it has 25 MPs, so you can make great selfies with. And yeah, with all these cameras, you can make full HD videos as well. And for the dark, we have also here LED. This phone supports many standards like 4G, Wi-Fi, NFC, Bluetooth. It has a built-in FM radio, and yeah, so it is have all these features you need. And the price is also very well, because with 250 euro we have a good basic price, and most of the time the phone is getting cheaper and cheaper. So I think it will be soon at 200 euro, so between 200 and 250 euro. Yeah, that phone have, of course, also a battery with 3100 milliampere hours. It is non-removable as usual actually, but it supports fast charging. Yeah, let me show you some nice features of that phone. Of course, you can make screenshots of the phone if you are maybe on a website or somewhere else and you want to capture it. And yeah, there's also a very nice mode for children in that phone, for young children especially. If you scroll down here, scroll down a second time, and then you have here on the second page the point Kids Home. And this is an own world for children, for very young children, because it's very friendly for them. Yeah, let me show you maybe with the dialer, because here you can just set up contacts, which one is your child allowed to call. No, you cannot dial a number by its own. No, you can just dial numbers which one you give permission for. And yeah, here you can add them from your basic contact list. And also the camera app is very simple for children, so very simple to take pictures, for taking videos, and make also some effects with the augmented reality stuff and so on and so on. And all the pictures your child did is going to the gallery. I did already some here, and here also, if you're using the smartphone also by your own, here are just the pictures your child took with the camera of this Kids Home app, or you can add also some pictures here from your basic gallery. But your child don't have access to the basic gallery, and also don't have access to messengers and so on and so on. So this is very friendly for children. And also the browser, the child cannot go to a website he wants to go into. No, you can just add here some websites your child is allowed to go. So a very children-friendly mode. And also some other sweet stuff here, like a few games, and also here maybe a voice recorder. Yeah, you can sing here something. Also this is a bit funny. And later you can play your voice with a singer. And also a bit slower and so on. So it's some very sweet tools for children. And also this app here, here's a house with some animals are living in. Yeah, it's very sweet for children, and especially for starters with smartphones. And also if you want to have a safe kid mode for your phone on your own phone, which one doesn't allow the children to go to your messenger or to your internet, no, to the whole World Wide Web, or to your gallery, and so on and so on. If you want to going back, just use the back button, and I've set up a pin before that the child is not able to go out by its own. And yeah, a very, very nice mode. And you can check out also a bit your own. If you're going also here to the settings, then here's a nice point, which one is named digital well-being. And at this point, you have also some statistics about your own. If you're using that smartphone, maybe if you have the feeling that you're using your smartphone too much and so on, you will have here some statistics, which app you have used too much and so on the last days, and how often you were in. You can give a limit, maybe that you use that camera maybe just 30 minutes, or maybe YouTube, WhatsApp, or whatever, just 30 minutes a day. Yeah, so it's a very nice feature to control a bit yourself. And there's also a mode for the elderlies, of course, which I'm saying, okay, the kids mode is sweet, but not really for me. Yeah, there's a mode which will have also bigger buttons and so on, and make it also simple as well, but with a serious style. So let us go to the settings again. And then let's go to display. And here we have the point easy mode. If we enable it here, go here on easy mode, go on apply for. So as you can see, very simple, and everything becomes a bit bigger, and also the icons become much bigger, and it is now simple and easy. If you want to have more apps here, just go on this. So everything is a bit bigger, as I said. And thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked that little quick review, and yeah, it would be a pleasure maybe if you can give me a thumbs up or leave me a comment. It is very, very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And yeah, I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be a pleasure to see you again, and maybe until next time. Ciao.